In today's lesson, we will be talking about why do people move from one country or region to another. And our objective is I can describe push and pull factors related to human migration. If you remember from your lesson yesterday, you learned that cultural diffusion is the spreading of culture and that it happens through many different ways. It can be caused by war, immigration, travel, trade, and technology. Today we will focus on immigration. When people move, they bring their culture with them. But why do people move? There are some important words that you need to know in order to understand this topic. The first word is immigrant. An immigrant is a person who willingly leaves their country of origin and legally resettles permanently in another country. Immigrants often look for better economic and educational opportunities. Another word that's important to know is refugee. A refugee is a person who has been forced to leave their country in order to escape war, persecution, or natural disaster. Refugees are often forced to leave suddenly, and the word refugee comes from the word refuge. They leave their country in order to find refuge or a safe place. And finally, another important word to know is persecution. Persecution is unfair treatment because of race or political or religious beliefs. We will also use the word oppression as the synonym for the word persecution. So, why do people migrate? Why do they move? There are many reasons why they do it. There are political, economic, environmental, and social reasons, but they can be grouped into two categories. People leave because of push factors and pull factors. Push factors are reasons that people decide to leave their homes or countries. They are the disadvantages that provide difficult experiences for people. People leave because there is something bad that is happening in the country they live in now, and that pushes them out of the country. Pull factors are the opposite. Pull factors are reasons that make people want to join or come to a new place or country. There are the benefits or advantages that attract people to that particular place. So, what are some specific examples of push and pull factors? It could be unlimited government. People decide to leave their country because of the type of government they have. There could be war or conflict happening in the country they live in. They maybe are not able to find jobs. There is job scarcity or low wages. Their country might have poor education or lack of free education. There could be bad quality or no health care, lack of resources, famine. Famine means widespread hunger, frequent natural disasters, and human rights violations. These are just some of the examples of the reasons why people might want to leave the country they live in now, and these once again are called the push factors. What are some examples of the pull factors? The reasons why people are moving to that particular location. Why are they wanting to go to that country or not the other country? What attracts them? And it could be limited government, peace and stability in the region they're moving to, jobs and higher wages, quality and affordable education, good health care, access to resources, stable weather or geographic conditions, and human rights protections. If you still have any questions about this topic, make sure you reach out to your social studies teacher.